Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by, and welcome. If you love craft and DIYs, you are in the right place. So I would love to you consider hit the red button around here, get subscribe and be part of this awesome family. So today I want to take time to thank you all for your continued support, but the most important thing I want to do today, I want to wish you a Merry Christmas, and I hope you all had a wonderful time with your families and friends. And I really wish you stick around for more DIYs in this channel. So today I want to share with you a beautiful DIY that I came out for winter, but it's also a great idea for present. If you're running out of ideas, this one would be just perfect. So if you want to see how I did it, just keep watching. So today I'm going to be sharing with you how I make this beautiful winter calendar box. So here are the materials. We're going to be needing 2 picture frame, and we also going to be needing some Christmas ornament. So I got a reindeer and also 2 little trees. We also going to be needing some fake snow, some ribbon. The ribbon I got it from Walmart. I paid $2 for it. Some paint, gray acrylic paint, and also some white paint. In this case I'm going to be using the Waverly chalk white paint from Walmart, and also some wooden beads and some floral wire. So let's get started. So first I'm going to start removing the printer paper that I already have in there. So original those frames come with some letters on the glass, so I removed it a while ago with some acetone. They came out easily. So now I'm going to be painting the frames, and with one of the frames I'm going to paint the entire frame, including the glass. For the second one I'm going to just leave the glass clear, just like so. So now the paint is dry, and now we're going to be working with our main frame. So I'm going to be using the gray paint, and I'm going to be painting the center of the frame. So about that extra paint on the glass, no worry about it, we're going to fix that in a little bit. So yeah, I'm going to be using a old makeup brush. It really works for me. So dry, and then I just kind of tapping around, just hitting there to kind of create that distressing look or weather look. I don't know how they go exactly, but something like that. You get the idea. So then I was kind of playing around a little bit with another brush just to cover the corners, and then playing back and forth with the brushes and adding a little bit of white paint at the same time and distressing, as you can see. And I ended with something like that. So then I just put it on the side, and with the leftover paint on the brushes I just kind of distress a little bit the frames as well, outside the frame. So now we're going to clean the mess. So this is the extra paint on the glass, so I'm going to be using some acetone and some paper, and just wipe it up and come out just easily. Now we are ready to keep working with our main frame. Now I'm going to be using the ornament. So first I just cut the hangers at it, and then I'm going to be just placing those little trees on the center on the frame. But before that, we're going to be doing some adjusting. So as you can see, it has a little hole on inside of the frame, so I'm going to use that as a keep it in place. So but before that, I'm going to be using the saw and cut the bottom of the tree, as you can see. Now with the second one, I'm going to cut the top of the tree, just like so, to create a big tree, if that makes sense. Just like so. Now and then I was just trying to play around how I'm going to be placing it. Then I just start to adding some hot glue and place those little trees to create a one tree. Just like so. And now as you can see, we have the little marks from the cut part, so I just added a little bit of white paint and voila, nothing happened. And now with the little reindeer, I'm basically going to do the same thing. So it's like kind of cool, but I'm going to cut a little bit the hoops, just a little bit, nobody will know, okay? So I'm going to cover also with the snow, so just to have like a shorter side, something like that. Yeah. Then I just glue it, and now I'm going to put on top the fake snow. And yeah, see, nobody will see the hoops. And that's how it looks like so far. Next, with the floral wire, I'm going to just cut a part, like a small piece, just to kind of measure a little bit on top of the frame, how big I want it, and then I just cut it. And then I'm going to be just kind of twisting the end just a little bit to make sure the it doesn't come out. Then I'm going to be just string wooden beads into the wire, just like so. I ended using 15 wooden beads. So by the way, those beads I purchased from Amazon. I bought a big bag, so I'm going to leave you guys the link on the description below. They were inexpensive and you can do a lot of things with. And yeah, they're not too big and they're not too small. They're a good size. So then I'm just going to be just using hot glue and carefully kind of pressing a little bit there, just carefully, just let it dry a little bit, and then just press it. It will be fine. You will not burn. I also added some strong glue. I don't remember exactly the name of this glue, but it's really good. But you can also use E6000 for permanent purpose. And about that little broken part, no worries, we'll cover that. So then I just then I just press it a little bit and to get dry. Now with the ribbon, I'm going to be just cover the part I told you guys. Just like so, adding some hot glue, and this ribbon is so easy to work with because it has the wire, just like so. So for the top part, I just got a separate piece of ribbon to be able to glue it easily because the beads. So if you notice, on between the beads and the ribbon was kind of spaced. Like I didn't like it at all because it doesn't have the good finish look. So I decided to use some twine, just wrapping around and cover that part, and I think they give you the nice finish look. So I repeat the step on both sides, just like so. And next, with the same ribbon, I'm going to be just making a little cute bow, just a simple bow. If somebody knows a different way to make a bow, please let me know, because this is the only way it really works for me. So I keep doing it the same way. So yeah, I just kind of fold it on the center, and then I use some twine to keep it together, just like so. Double knot, and then I just cut the excess and create like a little fish tail as well. So now we're almost done, so I'm going to be using some hot glue and glue the little bow on the center of the frame. And I also thought something is missing. So first that I just what I'm doing here, I was just trying to kind of check a little bit to get the snow on the little tree. I added a little pear on top of the boat, and oh my goodness, I think it came out really cute. So yeah, I think it's a great idea for a Christmas present. That's it for today. I really hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching it. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up, share with your friend, and see you guys next time. Merry Christmas. Ciao ciao.